I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear.
As President Trump takes office, school districts around the state are preparing for what they'll do if immigration officers show up at their schools.
I've met with all leaders.
Denver Public Schools Superintendent Alex Marrero is telling principals if a government official shows up at one of their schools, don't let them in. He's instructed staff to use the intercom and find out what agency they're with, why they're there, and if they have a warrant. If they have a warrant, ask for a copy. If they don't, tell them to leave. Aurora Public Schools has a similar policy, though its policy says if a federal immigration officer says it's an emergency, the staffer should comply and then call the district's legal office. Large-scale ICE raids have happened at workplaces in the state before, but as far as we know, not at schools. In December 2006, Republican President George W. Bush was in office when ICE raided the Swift meatpacking plant in Greeley. They arrested 262 people, separating families. In June 2011, when Democrat Barack Obama was president, it happened again, on a smaller scale in Fort Morgan. 11 workers at Wildcat Dairy were arrested after an ICE raid there. Fort Morgan Superintendent Rob Sanders says the district has talked to its principals about the possibility of school raids and issued the sharpest pushback against them that we've seen, saying he's hopeful the 2011 precedents of staying away from sensitive areas will be adhered to, and if that is not the case, we will be asking for correct paperwork, such as a legal subpoena and not simply an ICE warrant. We will not allow anyone on campus without the proper and legal paperwork. The Greeley-Evans School District, where that raid in '06 happened, told us tonight that a valid judicial warrant would be needed to get into a school and make an arrest. They made no mention of any specific plan centered around ICE officers, though. Spencer Soysher, 9 News.